Good morning, friend. We discuss plot and theme in paper 5, unit 3. Today we discuss the third topic, humor. The words when we heard the humor that arise the laughter on our face. We can generally use that word, friend. He is a humorous person. He is comedian. And these kind of words, the humor words, is generally we know about that concern with the laughter. But friend, in recent time after 18th century, that word humor is connected with laughter. But what is the history of word humor? So first we discuss about that. Before 18th century, the word humor in Middle Age, it is concerned with medical science. Medical science, we know about that in England. It was we know about that the advanced than us. It is concerned with the medical science, and then medical science there are the four liquid or for fluid in our body. They say that blood, Finnegan, yellow bite, black bite. These are the four liquid in human body. I easily we can try to understand is that you know about that in our India. You know about that in Indian culture there was a Ayurveda. Now you know about the name of the heard the name of the Ramdev Baba, Ayurvedic product. In our Ayurveda we can think about that. There is say that there are the in Indian Ayurveda we can use that word. There are the four liquid in our body, or we can say there are four kind of the, for example, that we use the fluid, and that is vat, pit, cough, thermos, and that's why somebody say that, oh yaar, I have the berry cough. They say that I can also say that my nature is the, we can say cough prakriti, and somewhere men become angry. So some say he has the tamas a nature. We heard the Gujarati in our family, Vayu થઈ જાય છે. So it is the Vayu, Pith. In the same way, in English, in medieval science, they can say that in our like blood, Finnegan's, yellow bite, black bite. We can generally try to understand Rakta Kano, Svit Kano, Loi, and this kind of the liquid in our body. They balance our nature. You know about sometimes we laugh, sometimes we weep, sometimes we become angry. So in England in 18th century, the medieval science believed that whenever the imbalancement of this liquid in our body, and due to that it rises the laughter. It is the theory of laughter in medieval science. And we also know about the Indian Ayurveda. And they believe that this imbalancement of liquid affect the physical as well as mental temperament, or simple we can say that word spirit or nature. Whenever the imbalancement, so there arouse the laughter in us according to medieval science of the Middle Age. Ben Jonson is the prominent exponent of this theory. Ben Jonson, you already studied in BA semester 2. Ben Jonson is Jacobean age, and Ben Jonson as a play Right. Here in this, Ben Jonson wrote his comedy on the base of this theory of humor. That's why Ben Jonson comedy are known as comedy of humor, such as Shakespearean comedy are known as romantic comedy. So Ben Jonson here used the word humor not in the context of the medieval science, but he used the word humor as a mood, whim, fancy, person, ancestry, etc. And that's why, friend, he can say that he used in each and every his comedy. We can take the example of one of his comedy, Wolfgang the Fox. So we know about a man is a intellectual, clever. We like when a man become shrewd, or we can cunning, in the sense lucho. And there was too much of the cunningness, he become the victim of it. And here in this comedy, Wolfgang, the title is Fox. The man has too much cunningness. He was his eccentricity. Second, the silent woman. Everybody know that woman never remain the silent. સ્ત્રીઓ ક્યારે શાંત રહી શકે નહીં. But here he can give the title silent woman. And when the woman become too much silent, it was odd to us. And this was the personal eccentricity of the woman. And the next one, in this semester 3, paper 4, unit 2, you study the Ben Jonson's comedy of humors, Every Man in His Humor. Here the same way he suggests the personal eccentricity of the each character. And after 18th century, this personal insanity, or we can personal mood, arouse the laughter. And in this way, the laughter word connected with the term humor. Thank you.